Hi, I'm dear friends. This is After Effects, and let's do real-time animation in After Effects. I'm creating a new composition. It will be 1920 by 1080, frame rate 30, the duration 7 seconds, and I choose background color green. Okay, this is, and let us import some PNG picture from my Explorer. For example, this butterfly. So I'm dragging it onto timeline. I don't have to change the size of my butterfly file, but I have to check what is the duration of it, because see, the duration of my butterfly file is less than 7 seconds. So I'm choosing it, go to layer, choose time, and go to time stretch. And here I'm choosing the new duration and changing the duration directly here. Let it be 7 seconds. The same like the duration you did for a composition. Now it's okay. Now, in order to do real-time animation, I am going to Puppet Position Pin tool. Do left click on it and setting, I did left click over the place where I want to set the pin, and I'm setting few pins. Where are the pins? Those places I will animate, they will move or they will stay still, not changeable. So it's better not to put too many of them. For me, 3 are enough. Now I'm choosing the first one, which I want to move, but before to move it, I am pressing Ctrl. Now the animation starts, so I am moving here and there like I want it to walk. Okay, that's it. You see how it works. I think it's good. Now the next one. So holding shift and moving. I'm doing something like that. Okay. Oh, I will do one more pin here. Just move it either. And the last one. Something like this. Okay, now let us see. I clicked aside to remove the net, we don't need it. And let's see, something like this. I think it's good and we can use it. Thank you, bye.